Really beautiful. Should we go down that side?
This was one of our very first dates.
It's a pothole now.
Oyster River potholes.
Beautiful place. Guys, we're at the potholes.
Oyster River potholes.
Oh my god, so beautiful. Look at that. Look at my beautiful wife. Now look at that. Take a good look at that.
So this is a tradition of Jamaica where you go to a river or the sea and you slap the pain out. Let's hope it works.
This guy's slapping her knee with all the bad pain out.